I am officially taking applications for a Sam's Club buddy when Austin's not home. If you want to know what that looks like, it's like this. We have this, we have those, all of this, and then our Walmart order as well that's been here for way too long because they said from 11 to 1, and I was like, they always deliver it at the last minute. They'll get it there at 1:01, and they delivered it at 11:15. You know when I got to Sam's Club? 11:12. Okay guys, so I have Atlas down. He's been asleep. He'll probably wake up from his nap any minute now. I laid him back down just a few minutes ago, but he's been asleep for a while. Austin is home. He's mowing the yard right. I put all of those groceries away. Look at all the boxes. That's the worst part, but we can burn boxes, so that's okay. I have dinner in the oven where I just bought lasagna from Walmart. I'm exhausted. I still have to do the dishes, but our cabinets have never looked this good. Like, not having so much stuff, but like I organized things. Good morning, guys. We've been up since like 5:30 this morning. I look like a mess. I'm still trying to drink my coffee. This guy is on 10, and I'm trying to make some chocolate chip cookies today before dinner. So let's get started on that. But before we get started, I gotta get changed because I can't make anything in this because my sleeves constantly fall down. I gotta get changed. I gotta fix my hair because we're not gonna talk about it. And then I wanna show off my cute lie I got for Mother's Day. Isn't it so pretty? Okay guys, I am ready to make another coffee because mine is cold and it was also burnt. And I'm ready to make cookies. Atlas seems to be in a good mood. He's playing with the dog. Oh, just kidding, he's right here. He was playing with the dogs, riding the skateboards and stuff. But I'm ready to make cookies. Breakfast was not a hit. You guys don't know because I'm gonna cut it out of every single video, but I've tried to make cookies like 3 or 4 times, and every single time I try to make them, I don't like them. They're bad. So I decided I'm gonna do chocolate chip cookies. But if anybody out there has like a good recipe to make, like, I think it's sugar cookies or whatever, where you can roll out the dough and you can cut out your shapes. I really want a good dough that I can cut shapes out of, and I want to learn how to decorate stuff. So that's one of the things I want to learn this year, is how to decorate cookies. This is so delicious. I'm ready to start baking cookies now. Atlas has already cried at me, and I had to get him a special drink too because he wants my coffee so bad. Oh my gosh. He has Pop-Tart everywhere. So I need softened butter. Oh my gosh. It never ends. You don't need anything there. Get out. Come on. What do you want? You don't like milk. You want milk? I knew you didn't care about the milk. But you have a snack. Let me bring everything over here. Give me just a second. Brown sugar, eggs, flour. That's okay. I don't even have a bowl. Being a stay-at-home mom is so stressful. probably fine. I can probably use these eggs. They didn't leave very much behind. Somebody come here. You just see that kid throw away his snack? Well, once again, Mom's got all her stuff there ready and ready to be cooked, but she doesn't get to because he is crying. It's so overwhelming. I just want to cry because I just want to do something I want to do so bad. Okay, I gotta redo this because I had music playing and I didn't think about it. Do you guys know the video of the guy who's baking or is baking with his family or something like that? And they give him the whisk because, you know, the best part is like getting to taste the batter. Well, they give him the whisk and he takes it and he just fully puts the whole whisk in his mouth and he's like, and sucks it out and says, delicious or something. That guy lives in my head. Like, every single time I bake, I think of that guy putting an entire whisk in his mouth and saying how good the batter was. You know it was good because of how much of that whisk went into his mouth. Anyway, hilarious. He lives in my head. Atlas thinks it's funny too. That drummer boy. Drummer.